If you want to check the call history on your Oppo phone, so in this video I will show you the exact process. First of all, just open the dialer app on your Oppo phone. Now under the call section, you will find all the calls which you have done on your Oppo phone. Now just make sure you select all at the top of the screen, and as you can see, these are all the calls which you have done on your Oppo phone. Now if you tap on the eye icon in front of the call, then tap on view all, you will find the details of the call. Like you can see the date and the time of the phone call, and you can also check if it was an outgoing call or an incoming call. Now some Oppo phones does not have the Oppo dialer app. They only have the Google dialer by default. Now to check the call history in Google dialer, just open the Google dialer app on your Oppo phone. Now under the home section, you will find all the calls on your Oppo phone. Just make sure you select all. And if you tap on the call, then tap on history, you will find the details of the phone call, like the duration of the phone call and the date and the time of the phone call. And you can also check if the phone call was an incoming call or an outgoing call. And this is how you can check the call history on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.